Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Nissan Pathfinder STIL. Stock reference number 5365. The shape runs from the 6th month 2010 through to the 9th month 2013. It has a YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-drive transmission. YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left-hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left front door has 2 small dents. Left rear door has 1 small dent. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Tidy rear bumper cover. Does have a cutout for the tow bar. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heating controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.